So first day, this is day one, and Barrel isn't here yet, so we have to go to the supermarket and get stuff. And I'm excited, right, Autumn? Okay, so I didn't get full videos of me shopping, but I also lost some footage. We did purchase like snacks and drinks because, as Mida mentioned, the bar never come. The bar was supposed to have our snacks, our drinks, and all of that. None of that never come on time. So I was forced to go to the supermarket, go shopping, and buy things for, you know, the kids because I need them snacks and things like that. So we went and I picked up as much as I could. Well, no, not as much as I could, just things that we need. You know, also some of my stuff was in the barrel. So I ended up spending, I think total for that supermarket run was 18,000 JMD. I think that is about 80 USD. Not sure, but that's what I spent in the supermarket run. And it gave the kids an opportunity to actually try Jamaican food, snacks, drinks, and see what they like and don't like. I also noticed that a lot of the shelves now in the supermarket had a lot more international brands like American snacks and stuff. It had more of those. Like maybe it's just me, but before I never really used to see as much American snack brands in Jamaican supermarkets, so that's something different. It's giving me a vibe as if they're importing a lot more now. So as I'm driving back, I think we were driving back home in this clip, and I'm just looking at, you know, the footage, and I'm just watching everything, and it's like, wow, it's just strange. It's kind of strange how everything changed, but a lot is still the same, if you understand what I mean. Like, there was a lot that changed, but there was a lot of other things that were like, oh, this is still here, this still looks the same. But for the most part, there were also a lot of changes there. On our way to Father's Day dinner. First time at Father's Day dinner. Hopefully they can't hear me. Probably can't, but yeah. This is exciting. So in this clip, I thought it was just us driving back from the supermarket, but now we're driving to the dinner place. Damn, I need to go look up the name of this place. But it was a place I see online. I saw some YouTubers go there, so I was like, you know what, that's a place I want to try it. It's a Lebanese restaurant. I want to try it out. I want to see what the fuss is about. You know, I want to see how it priced, how the place look. So that's where we're heading in this clip. So guys, I'm on this bridge and will probably sound like a tourist, but when I left here, this wasn't a thing. Like, there wasn't a bridge here, and then I realized, like, oh shit, like I haven't been here in a long while for me to just now be traveling on this bridge. Uh-oh, just take your time. Yeah. Restaurant travel. Keep going up. Keep going up. Yeah? So when we went, we checked out the menu, and I was looking for things to buy for the kids, and I loved the pizza. Like, I was like, you know what, my son liked pizza, let me go ahead and get him pizza. He enjoyed this pizza. When I tell you, he was just like devouring it. He was enjoying the pizza. I even tried a piece of it, and the pizza was really good. The pizza was the first thing to come. It come before like the adults food, so that was the only thing. Cause media try media end up a fair eat out film pizza little car. I was like, all right, the food I said like a while, but the pizza was good. I'll give the pizza a 10 out of 10 for me. This is like a picture of what I got. So I went back on their menu to see if I could actually find the items, but I don't know if them change the menu or what it is, but I don't see what we ordered. I don't know if it's a different menu online or them change it up, but I never really see what we order. What we ordered, I know I had an appetizer. It had a nice sauce with it and thing, more like a vegetarian type of thing. And the other wrap had lamb inside of it, so it was lamb inside of it in a wrap with some mashed potatoes. And of course I went ahead and I had french fries with mine, and I know it was lamb. Like, make sure me get meat when I know me could I eat, and it was a wrap. So I'm wondering if this was something from the bar. I keep looking to see if it's something from the bar, but I know it was from the Lebanese menu, but just to know which exact item I got from it. But I know it did come with the pita breads. So guys, I'm leaving CHEZ Maria. It was a great experience, but it was a lot going on because of the kids them and them screaming and carrying on. But I liked it. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed everything about it. Day 2 in well, I think this is day 1 in Jamaica. We are? Yeah. You're having a good day? Okay, me too. I should probably sit up to talk, but I'm so tired. I'm exhausted. I'll say this though. Day 2 in Jamaica. Spend all the money already in my opinion. We spend enough money already.
Hey, Mommy, it's day 1.
Day 1, yeah. We did the supermarket run, and so I am currently trying to get my nighttime routine and daytime routine back how it was. Don't mind how I look. I was on the road today, and because I was on the road, as in I seen at a previous clip, now I'm back home. So the kids fell asleep without me giving them a proper nighttime routine. So I'm doing mine, and then hopefully tomorrow I can wake up and actually work out. So let's see how that goes. But so far so good. Day 3, I think, and I just woke up. Feel much better than yesterday. Yeah, my eyes, I feel much better. I think I got some sleep now. I did not wash my face last night. Anyways, I feel much better than yesterday, as in like I'm rested, because I'm pretty sure when the sun catch me I'm gonna feel tired. And today is a stay in the house and do some logistics day, because my barrel isn't here, so I have to do some ordering and some stuff I'm gonna forget. Yeah, so we're gonna take care of that today. Day 4 in Jamaica, and it is very chilled. I will say today, today's one of my chill hang out with neighbor type of day, and it's a Friday. This is my first Friday in Jamaica. So weird, right, to say. But I am enjoying myself so far. It's a vibe. I'm going to be here for a while, so I'm not going to be going out every single day, because that doesn't really make sense. If I'm not going to be for a while, I'm going to stretch the thing and do it properly, do it responsibly. But I'll say the kids are having fun regardless of not going out much. The kids never enjoy themselves just playing around in the yard and things like that. So I will say that's fun. Today's a Friday, so it is a KFC day, so I figured I'd vlog my first time trying KFC in Jamaica since like 2013, and let's just see if I love it the same. I have to get a zinger. I think I'm going to get a zinger. I'm gonna get chicken, and the kids, of course, they're gonna want french fries. Autumn will eat the chicken. AJ will more have the fries. So yeah, I think that's part of it for today.
was good. It was good. I had the zinger box. It was decent. I got a small coleslaw. I think it would have been bigger than that. But regardless, the food did taste good. KFC, like, I think it's okay. You know, I think it's decent. I haven't had KFC now from a go. Probably like once or twice, but it was good. Solo in what string?
The string that's in the watermelon.
Oh yeah, you can eat it. No, I don't know how they might eat it now. Cause everybody eat. I guess the sweet, yeah.
The sweet without the seeds. The sweet without the seeds.
Huh?
The sweet without the seeds.
Yeah, you say it's sweet without the seed. Say this side. No, you can't eat the skin, but you can eat the red side.
The red side is juicy.
Yeah.
Skin is not. Mommy, I'm already done.
You already done? I wish them can show the skin. Melon sweet man. 150 and 3 pot. 300 and 300. 1,000.
Okay, so in this clip, guys, this what's happening here, I'm having coconut jelly, we call it jelly, and haven't had this like this in a while. Haven't had this like this. I haven't had, you know, jelly coconut like this in a while. It was really good. It is sweet. It tastes so fresh and nice and rich. I was enjoying the moment, and I had to get it recorded. I'm off to record the first moment here. So this is a video of the first in a long while. So I was enjoying that, and we were purchasing coconut water. So what you do, you bring a jug. You got, I guess the guy have a truck with a bunch of coconuts, and him just chop them and fill up a jug with coconut water, and you pay for it. I don't remember how much it did cost. Probably like 2,000 GMD or so. Not sure. I have to check. It's a 2,000 GMD a gallon, something like so. But it was worth it. That fresh coconut water was so worth it. It tastes so good. I could not stop drinking and eating it.